Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video I will show you how you can create or edit your videos using InVideo website, and here you can also use pre-made ready-made template for editing your YouTube video. So let's get into it. First of all, we will open google.com website, and here we will search for InVideo. Okay, InVideo, and in this way you will get a website invideo.io, and after clicking the first website you will get this kind of interface. So this is the website. When you open this website you have to go to the InVideo Studio, and here you will see an option online video editor under the section of edit visuals. Okay, so from this website you can create AI videos as well. You can generate AI images, AI video, AI clip generator. Okay, and you can also do AI video editing, but here we are going to proceed with the online video editor for editing our YouTube video. So I will click there. So we also need to create an account on this website, so I will just go step by step here, and I will show you how you can do all of these things together. Okay, so I will sign up with my Google account. So I will select my Google account and I will continue. So that's how your account will be created, and you have to give some right select options, some of the options here. Okay, so I'm skipping for the YouTube videos. So let's continue. So that's how our account will be created, and a few prior steps will be done over this website. So finally we are at the dashboard, our online video editor. On the left side you can see there multiple options. You can upload your videos, you can see the uploaded videos, you can also see the images. Whatever you have uploaded you can access from here. You can also add text, music, and also include your company logo. You can also use the template section. So first of all I'm going to upload a random video from my desktop. Okay, so I'm going to do this drag and drop, and I will just simply drop it here. Here you can also check the template section. Here you will get multiple templates for your YouTube videos. Okay, so we are using the free version, so that's why it will include watermark as well. Okay, so you can see this. Let's say we are going to create a cooking channel YouTube intro, so I'm going to use this template. So I have just clicked on this template. Meanwhile our video is uploading here. Okay, so you can see that video is uploading here. So we have selected our template in the another tab. So as you can see that our template has been loaded, and now we will select our uploaded video, and we will remove this one and we will add our video here. So I have clicked on delete button, and now I will drag here onto the canvas. Okay, so I'm just dropping it here. So that's how I have just dropped it, and now I'll select the frame where I want it. So I want this portion. Okay, so now I will select on add button. Okay, so that's how you will add your own video here, and now you will just adjust it here by just moving it to this position. Okay, so that's how I've just added it, and now let's play it again. So that's how you can add your own video over the template, and if you want to edit your own video you can also do the editing to your own videos without selecting any template. So I can see here I have just made a little bit mistake here because I have removed the canvas over which we had to add the video. So you can just carefully do add or remove the things so that you can get your desired result. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.